It's a chance for electric cooperative members to make their voices heard in Washington, D.C. The NRECA DC Fly-in will be May 1st through the 4th. Electric co-op representatives will visit congressional delegations to talk about the issues like rural utility service repricing, infrastructure legislation, and the importance of direct pay for energy tax credits. Tyler Hamman is Vice President of Government Relations.
Direct pay is something that we've been working on for a few years now. Basically, as cooperatives, there are a lot of energy tax credits out there for renewables with carbon capture, but from a cooperative perspective, we don't have the tax appetite to be able to utilize those tax credits directly. So that's why we've, in the case of a renewable project, for example, we use a power purchase agreement, otherwise, or a tax equity partnership to be able to utilize those tax credits and build these projects. The downside to that, of course, is that that entity also has to get a return on that investment as well, so they take a piece of that tax credit, versus if Congress were to enact what's called direct pay, we would be able to directly monetize those tax credits, get the full value for them, and also be able to strategically be a little more strategic in deployment of our projects, whether it's renewables, carbon capture, what have you. So there's been a few opportunities that we've been working on. Most recently, you had the Build Back Better Act, which kind of hit the skids in Congress. There's some talk of bringing pieces of that back. That did have direct pay for all of the energy tax credits within it. So we're hopeful with our message going out to DC is just that that provision can remain alive and give us the opportunity to utilize these tax credits and advance the technologies for whether it's renewables or carbon capture to reduce emissions.